All right. Question number 2.
Question number 2.
Do you want me to read it or do you want to?
Please do the honours. You've
Okay.
got the little piece of paper.
All right. Question number 2. Can patients move or have body spasms while under anaesthesia?
Ooh. I feel like I always go first. Would you like to go first on this one?
So, yeah, you can move under anaesthesia. We can control that too. So we do have types of anaesthetics where we don't mind a bit of movement, but we also have anaesthetics like when you're having brain surgery or heart surgery where we do not want you to move.
Don't want to be having any big coughs or anything like that at the wrong time there.
Yeah. And how I often explain that to patients, I don't know what you say, but I say an anaesthetic, a general anaesthetic, is like having a cocktail. There's a bit of this mix and a bit of that mix and a bit of this mix. And sometimes in that mix, there's a medication that paralyzes your muscles. And we don't always use that in the mix. What about you? What do you think?
Completely agree. So certainly I would say sometimes it's almost sort of common for people sort of in sort of a more light procedure to kind of move a little bit, and sometimes that's a very useful clinical sign because it's like, oh, okay, I'll just add a little bit extra into the mix to sort of make sure that we're nice and comfy and happy. But there are definitely times where we definitely don't want movement and we can achieve that. And it's just another way of doing that.
And body movement is not the same as brain being awake.
No, absolutely not.
I sometimes have to remind the surgeons about that.
Yes, there's been asked many a time, are we relaxed?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, we
Patients
are.
moving. They're awake. I'm like, no, they're not awake. They're just moving.
One of the funniest things that did happen to me was when I was an intern. There was actually an earthquake at the hospital, and it was a very subtle kind of earthquake. But they were kind of like, the patient's moving, like they need to be relaxed. It's like, I don't think that this is us. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, there's no muscle relaxant for the earth, is there?
No, there's not much we can do for that one.
Yeah.